We have always been told to buy a medical insurance, a life insurance, but how about energy insurance? If you're somebody who wants to protect your energy, you want to learn to not get hurt by anybody else's words or affected by their energy, then this video is going to be massively helpful for you. Hi there everybody, this is Neha Bhatia. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you how you can protect your energy, your aura. Interested? So let's get started here. But before that, how about you quickly give us a subscribe and do like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell button because with that you get our notifications. Great. So how do we protect our aura? Before I tell you that, I really want you to know that there are multiple times in our life that we get affected by other people's energy even without being in contact with them, meaning even if you're not talking to them, we can still get affected by them. How does that happen? Because see, what we see is as our body. This is our body, and around it is our energy field, right? You must have experienced this in your life as well. You just met somebody, you must have not even spoken to that person, or you must have not even interacted much, but you just felt something. Has it happened with you? You just felt something. You felt kind of an aura or some kind of an energy. So similarly, there are times in our life that we take on negative energy of other people as well without knowing. So today I want you to know that if you just protect yourself with the technique that I'm about to share with you, not only that you'll be able to protect yourself, you'll be able to raise your worth, you'll be able to raise your own value, you raise your own energy at the same time. Okay, so you're not affected, and at the same time you can just pick up what is required for you to pick up. Okay, so let's begin here. So first thing first, what you have to do is you need to know whenever you are being affected by other people's energy. Let's say somebody said something to you and you got hurt by somebody's words. Okay, and right now I'm talking about when somebody says something to you. How do you feel? How does it impact you? Does it affect your self-esteem? Does it affect your confidence, your dignity, your peace, your stability? What exactly happens? Just have a little bit of an audit of that. Okay, now once you know that, I want to give you a little bit of an example here. Let's say you have a house. Okay, you have a house, and you go out of the house and you don't lock the house. What happens is anybody can come in the house, right? So you need to have a house, your energy house, in such a way that you lock it, but at the same time you don't feel too suffocated inside the house. And if you go out, you still can carry the same vibe that you carry inside your own house, if that makes sense, right? So now once you know what is being affected, what is, are you experiencing some kind of frustration, anger, what kind of an emotion that is coming, or what is being impacted, or what are you trying to protect by protecting your energy? Once you're sure of that, then what you have to do is you just have to sit with yourself and you have to do one very simple thing. You have to imagine a bubble around you. Okay, a bubble or a big circle around you, say around, say 4-5 feet. Okay, you can just imagine that. Now once you imagine that, I want you to start to imagine that there is a, let's say a divine or a higher self or your guru or some deity who is, let's say, just 10 feet above that particular circle. Okay, now once you start to imagine that's above the circle, you need to start to feel that there is some kind of an energy that is coming from above, and it is hitting your crown area. Okay, your crown. Now once that energy is coming in the form of a color or in the form of some rays, you start to feel it, and you just start to feel it, it's entering your body. Okay, now see, this is an imaginary circle. Okay, and that is also imaginary. Everything happens with the imagination, with the right visualization that you do. Now once you start to imagine and just take all that energy inside of you, now what you will do is you will start to imagine that this is your particular bubble or a circle. You can give it a color as well. Okay, and now you can also hear some kind of nice words that this bubble is producing. For example, my name is Neha and I feel absolutely secure and stable. Something like that, you need to hear it, okay? So it's going to be a 10 minutes of technique that we usually teach on our 21 days workshop. You can be a part of that as well. It's a very, very powerful technique to protect your aura, and that's why I usually don't get affected, because I do it on a very regular basis. I'll also teach you towards the end a quickie that you can do on a regular basis. Now, once you have protected yourself, okay, now once you have this bubble around you, which is a safety bubble basically, and there are some kind of blessings or some kind of rays coming from the divine, from the guru, whosoever you pray. Now what will happen is, I want you to imagine all these people, okay, all these people who have ever hurt you or said something to you. They're outside the bubble, okay, they're outside the circle, and you still have to imagine that they're saying something to you, and you see and feel that the words are coming towards you, and it's coming towards a bubble, and the moment it hits the bubble, it falls down, and you can actually hear the sound of the words falling down as well. So you're going to do that 2-3 times at least, okay? There are many times in our life that we are affected by other people's beliefs and what they have imposed on us. For example, somebody ever said to you that you're good for nothing, or they've said to you, you know, you won't be able to do this particular work, you know what, this won't be possible for you, and we start to believe it because we didn't have this protection around us. And it is so important to protect ourselves. Like I said in the beginning, that we are asked to buy medical insurance, life insurance, but what about the energy insurance that's in and out every single day? We experience this up and down of energy every single day. So now once you've protected yourself, and now once these words are coming and they're falling down, now what you will do is, now you will start to create a beautiful little window in this particular circle, okay? If you want, you can just stretch your hands while you're doing it and increase the size of the bubble as well. You can make it 10 feet, big bubble, like for example, it's protecting your entire house, okay? Now, once you have this little window, I want you to just take the learnings from these people whoever hurt you or whoever said something to you. This could be a 10 years ago situation that has happened in your life. Somebody said to you something, and maybe that kind of a belief you're still carrying in yourself. Right? Now, once you're carrying in yourself, and now once you start to protect and you take the learning, automatically the impression of that particular belief, of that particular statement that person said, it will not impact you. But now you might question me that, Neha, what about those people who we don't even interact with? Okay, this one you have interacted with, we have done that. Now, how about those people who we don't even interact with? So I have a quickie for you. I learned this, and I learned with my own self 5 years ago when I started to stay independent, and I really wanted to work on myself. So I created this, and you can do this if you're meditating by any chance. If you're doing any kind of practice, you can do it in the morning, you can do it in the evening. Best time to do it is in the morning when you get up. When you get up, just, let's say if you're praying or if you're doing any meditation, just bring your hands here, okay, just close to your heart, and you take your hands up. Feel that energy is going up, okay, once you've done your meditation or any of your practice. And now from here, watch this, you create a circle. It's a quickie you can do. I do it on a regular basis. You create a circle around you, but with an affirmation. So I start my day with this affirmation whenever I do my practice. I'm safe, secured, guided and guarded by my higher self. I sometimes say Guruji as well, you know, from my Guruji. He's always around me, or his presence is always around me. So I am safe, secured, guarded and guided by my higher self. This is a quickie which takes hardly 20 seconds. Just create and feel it, and go slow with creating a circle. You can take easily 30 seconds and do it 2-3 times. You know, just do it 2-3 times, and trust me, during the day, you automatically, your awareness will go up when there is somebody whose energy is not good and you want to kind of keep yourself away from that person or not get affected. Now see, there are many times in our life we will come across such people in our life, right? How much can we protect? But at least there is an imaginary circle around you all the time, and you will not get affected. You will automatically not get affected, because in your imagination, you know that there is somebody, there is some kind of energy protecting you all the time. This is really good for healers. I have so many trainers and healers who come to me and they say that, you know what, Neha, a lot of times my trainees, they suck up my energy and I feel so drained. I've given everything to them and I myself start to feel drained. So once you're protecting yourself, even when you're sitting with your clients, your trainees, even if you're a business person, you will not get affected by anybody's energy, especially in this kind of a business wherein we are listening to people's problems and we're helping them on a daily basis, because I still take a lot of private sessions. So I need to protect myself on a regular basis so I'm not impacted by other people's energy. Okay. So number one, know what you're trying to protect by just creating this energy field around you, or this protection around you, because energy field is already there, but you need to create a protection that you are not affected by anybody's energy. And then you need to feel this circle, a nice color which will always be there with you, and then you imagine that there is some energy coming from above, and then you start to hear some words. Now here's the thing, if you have ever had some kind of a trauma because of these people, so maybe you would like to try it by yourself, see how you feel, but you can always get in touch with us, because we work on the the deeper experiences that you've had in your life and you're not able to come out of it by your own self. So we help you remove your impressions of your past. We help you remove impressions of the patterns that you've had in the past, which probably you will not be able to do it by your own self. So you may need a guide, you may need a mentor, you would need that proper supervision to check as to when and how you are experiencing all this, and we'll help you come out of it. Now once you've created the circle, then what you will do is you'll create a wisdom window. That window will help you get the learning. All these people have given you a certain learning as well. Okay, those situations have given you a learning. Once you have the learning, whatever they said, it will not impact you much. Okay, so do these two little techniques and see how you feel. Do write to us as well. It's very, very powerful. I will also write it in the comment box as to what are the steps. You can follow it, do it, and see how you feel. Okay. And if you want to do it under our supervision and guidance, then you can always take up our 21 days NLP workshop. You can also join our Fear to Freedom masterclass, and we help you protect your energy, we help you design your future, we help you realign your past as well. www.nlpwithneha.com is the website that you can have a look at, and you can start your journey of evolution, evolving in a way that people are getting inspired by you at the same time. With that, thank you so much. I'm going to meet you in the next video. Bye.